Alright, you guys, so we are completely done with this Chevy, or yeah, I think it's a Chevy Explorer. I'm not sure. I think it's Chevy Explorer Limited SE. Says it on the side there. But yo, funny story. So I was right around this area there, and I fell, man. I took a big fat L, man. This thing has like a let me see. Let me put the brightness down a little bit. This thing has like a curve, right? So I'm walking like on top of this thing, and then my foot slips, and basically you guys can't even see it. I'm over here. I'm not crying about it, but can't even. Where it go? Nah. Hold on. I know it's somewhere. I don't know if y'all can see it. It don't even matter at this point. If y'all can't see it, then it wasn't that serious. But yeah, took a big fat L. Just fell right here, and I hit myself on the mailbox. This thing was up, but I hit it and it went down. So yeah, felt like an earthquake, but we're not gonna talk about that. So we're all done with the Explorer here. Now, man, this was a long process. So now it's 12:02. We have a very, very long drive to the next client. So we wanted to finish at 12. And so yeah, so I'm gonna just put back everything in the van, head off to the next one. And hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. And if you are, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll catch you once we get to the next client. Alright, YouTube, so you guys just saw some after shots of the Honda Accord. Now, I'll be honest, this thing was really bad, so we made a big difference on it. Now, you guys are seeing it with the exposure all the way up, so you guys get to see kind of like a lot more flaws, if that makes sense. So, still a couple spots. I'm gonna just go ahead and touch up some few spots, like beside the seats and on the door panel and stuff like that. But besides that, we're all done with this car. Took us roughly maybe 2.5 hours to do just the interior, and it was full of pet here. The carpet was really bad. You guys saw in the before shots how it looked, and yeah, I mean, we got here, we're like, yeah, it's not that bad. But then we started working, and we were just like, you know, it's taking us a little longer. So just kind of something you gotta keep in mind. Sometimes you might look at it and you might be like, oh, this thing ain't dirty, we'll knock it out. But then as you get working, and you know, you start vacuuming and the carpet's bad and the seats are bad, it kind of just starts adding time quickly. All right, so we're about to go ahead and head off. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. I try to upload detailing videos and detailing business advice as much as possible for you guys. because you guys are joining me on my journey, and I want to bring you guys along with me. So if you're out there, you know, and you're a detailer and you want to help, or you want help growing your business and stuff like that, then I can, you know, assist you in the most, you know, the most that I know. So thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Hustle never settle. Let's go.